to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make an edible bouquet using chocolate covered strawberries and using cake pops. Okay, so with Valentine's Day like days away and my birthday, yay, hey, happy birthday to me early. Yes, we are going to jump start this video right. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, I have my strawberries aligned here. With working with strawberries, they are really delicate. So besides someone eating them, I didn't want the chocolate to melt when I touch them, so I have gloves on. Okay, so you want to get you some chocolate in a bowl here like I have here, and take you some skewers, and you want to dip the skewer in the chocolate really good and drip off the excess. Roll it around, so give you about that much on the skewer, and you want to insert it at the top of the strawberry. Like that. And I'm just gonna place that there, and I am going to continue on with the rest of my strawberries. Now that you have dipped all the sticks in chocolate and stuck them in your strawberries, you just want to place them somewhere to dry, or for a quicker dry, you can place them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. It don't take really long. Now, on to the fun part. So all I did was just wrap my strawberries, because I don't want them to be exposed, because I am giving them to someone. So I just wrapped them. And these guys over here, these are cake pops that I also made, which I would do a video on later on, show you guys how to do that. But for now, what I'm going to do is just slide this out the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some clear wrap here. I'm going to open. So I'm going to take my clear wrap and I'm going to just roll some clear wrap off. And I'm going to take 4 at a time. It all depends on how many you have. I have 25, so I'm just gonna, you're gonna leave me with 1, so it'll be all right. And you want to roll them together. Like that. And I'm just going to go on and do the remaining of these. my last one. Okay, so we have all of our strawberries and cake pops wrapped up. So now what you want to do is take all of them and put them together. You know, you can try to make them, you know, high-low or all the same size. Just make sure they're not crowding one another. Put them all together, arrange them, you know, the way you want them to be arranged. Like that. Give y'all a better picture. Like that. Ain't that pretty? Okay, and you want to take another piece of clear wrap and you want to lay the strawberries and cake pops down, and you want to wrap them all together. Try to keep it tight as possible. I may have to get some more clear wrap. So it should look something like this, your bouquet. Next, we're going to set this aside. Next I have here is tissue paper. I got some at the Dollar Tree. I got some plain white and I got some Valentine's Day tissue paper. So I'm just going to open my tissue paper. And I'm going to take a couple of sheets of white. And I'm going to fold it. I want the white to be on the outside. Because on the inside, I'm going to do the Valentine's Day on the inside and the outside. So with this, because it's two different colors, I'm going to take half of it. And I'm going to fold it on the inside. And take the other half and fold it for the outside. Now that we have laid our tissue paper out, what I did was I laid some the long way and then I folded some like a triangle like this. Just took one sheet and just folded it like that, which I took 3 sheets, 3 of each kind. And I'm going to set that up there towards the top, because that's going to be the back of the bouquet. I'm going to place my strawberries right there in the center of it. And I'm going to take this end and I'm going to go up. And I'm going to take this end and I'm going to go up. I'm going to grab it and I'm going to wrap it around like that. And I'm going to keep it secure right there. I'm going to get some ribbon. And I am going to tie it. Now that we got ribbon and we tied it, you can just fluff your sheets out, bring them down so that you can see the front of the bouquet. And it should look something like that. I'll give you guys a closer look. So it should look something like this, which all I did was just put it in a glass vase, as you can see. Turn it around, let you guys see the back of it. That's the back of it. And that's the front. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of my edible bouquet. And like I had stated before, I'm gonna get a video out for you guys on how I did my cake pops. It's really easy, really simple, so I'm gonna get that out for you guys. But what I want you guys to do for me for my birthday, I want you to go and subscribe. If you have not subscribed already, go and subscribe, okay? Please, thank you. And give this video a thumbs up, okay? A thumbs up. So until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.